Hi everyone and welcome back to Login Giants. Today in this video we will be learning how to fix TikTok not working or loading. So please make sure to follow all of the steps till the end. The very first step is to move into your settings. Here you need to make sure that you have strong internet connection. The TikTok application might not function if you don't have strong internet connection. Now the next step you can do is move into your settings again. Head over to apps. Move into the application TikTok. Tap on Stories and Cache. Here you need to clear the cache of the application TikTok, so click on Clear Cache. Clearing the cache will remove unwanted data and the box from your application. So it might also fix the problem that you have been facing. Now in another step what you can do is move into your Play Store. Search for the application TikTok. If the application is not updated to the latest version, you need to update it. So click on Update. You need to wait for a while. After updating to the latest version, the application will function properly and it might fix the problem that you have been facing. If it still doesn't fix your problem, then in the next step what you need to do is you need to make sure that the server of the application TikTok is down or not. So head over to any web browser and in the search bar search for downdetector.com. Head over to the first link. Well, in this site, it will tell you that the server of this application is down or having problem or not. If the application TikTok is not visible here, then it means that the server of the application is not down. If this thing still doesn't work, then what you can do is uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will help you to fix the issue that you have been facing on TikTok. So this is it, and this was the tutorial video on how to fix TikTok not working or loading. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching it till the end.